Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna see how you can install Python. So open your browser, search python.org. Now there's the downloads thing here. Now here's the source code. I'll use 3.11. There's also this if you want to see the full list. So here's the list of a specific release. Okay. Now go to your downloads. So I have this exe file here. I'll run as administrator. Click on yes. Now it's recommended to add python.exe to the path, and then if you want pip, take that there. And also install Takinter. Just select all this and hit next. I'll do this and install. You can use your own settings, but which one I put is the recommended settings, so I hope you follow it. Okay, so it's successfully installed. If you want to disable the path length, you can click this, else you can close. So to check if it's installed, you have to search cmd. Write Python version Python version. Yes, so there's my output. So if you want to see pip is installed, write pip and all this should appear. If that didn't work, write pip 3. That's the complete video. I hope it works in your. So thank you. Goodbye.